Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today me and Cassandra are going to be playing Prison Island. There's one cop, by the way guys. Do you see that? One cop. Who's cop? Where is he? Dinosaur RB. And then Luma Lucas. So, I don't think these people know that there's like only two. I think. I'm not saying that they're, I don't know, dumb or something. So Cassandra's joining me. Ooh, I'm a woman. I'm gonna go in the men's bathroom. Doesn't stink at all. There's telephones. Oh, I can punch it to escape.
Wait. No, I'm not joining.
The floor is melting. What does it mean? What is this? The floor is lava? Cassandra, you have to wait. Can I just like die from the lava or something? Or should I what?
Naomi is the bad
yes.
guy.
So now I'm gonna wait for Cassandra. Just can't believe it. I just went to men's bathroom. Okay. Cassandra can't join, guys. So I guess I'm just gonna be playing this myself. Cassandra, you can't join me. The game won't let you. Okay, let's go. I'm not a criminal. Swim out. I have to swim out. Swimming. Wow, there's one officer again. Okay, go back. Oh, there's no cops. No cops, guys. There's seriously no cops now. Let's go. Flips. I'm under the sea, and I'm drowning. I'm going to die, just like this. Move. No one has a key or anything. What the heck? There's even no cop. How do we survive with no food? Okay, I need to go in the vent. Oh, not really. I need to go up here. Go here. I only started playing this game today and I already know so many escapes. Punch. Okay, get up here. Get up. Open the vent. Why isn't the vent opening? Do I have to punch it?
Yep.
Nope. Okay, now it's open. Let's go. Okay, let's go here. This is so easy because there's no cop. No cops at all. At all. Okay, I'm gonna jump down. I don't think it's gonna be a good idea if I jump. Okay, I'm just jumping. There's one cop. Hooray!
How get your gun?
I have a question. How do you even go like open that if you're not a cop? There's no cops again. I'm a criminal. Cassandra tried joining me already 3 times. Or over 3 times. Who knows? Why is there a car covering this? It makes no sense. Just no sense. At least I can move it. Correct. I'm just gonna move this so the people that need to escape can escape. So, This is how I can go over. Mwah. Never mind. Go over, please. Just. Oh, I can't. I don't even know what's the point of this game. You can't, like, rob. Go to the sewers. I do not want to spell it out. Find the arrow. Then I'll block the way, so you can't escape. I don't know the way. Never mind, I do. Make sure you guys subscribe to this, oops. Make sure you guys go subscribe to Zep Plays. Zep. I love this guy. I love the guy. Huh? Lol. I don't hear you saying anything. You have to say something if you want me to move. Why not just move? I can't get up. Okay, there we go. Just get on. Go. Ta ta. Oh my. I have bad skills on computers. Okay, let's go. This way. This way. And that way. And this way. And this way. There's only one cop. Again, how many cops are there gonna be every single time when one leaves? One! Duh! It's that obvious. Let's go! Why does this guy keeps on following me? There's an invisible seat. Thanks a lot. Why is the bottom sinking? Like seriously, why is there water? Why am I going in circles? Oh my god. You drive. Or go back. Finally, he's off. Can I move now? Oh my keys are not working. I guess I'm just gonna swim. No, my boat! My boat! My boat! I'm supposed to go on it. Okay. There's more than one cop now. Why? Just why? I never got arrested. I just reset. Go! Come on. Work! Work already! Work already! Work already! Work already! Okay, I'm just gonna swim. You're wasting my time. You better not go. I'm watching you. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Wait, does this work for people also? Or like just people? I want to try it out. If it does, awesome. Please work, please work, please work. And it doesn't work. Wait, can I just do this? Wait, I'll go here. And it doesn't work. The men's floor is melting. Duh. This takes forever. I want a boat. I'll restart all of this again. Alright. So I'm gonna reset and I'm gonna be switching my team. Oh my glitches. Wait, no. I don't want to go there. I don't go Prison Island.
And the police.
I know. Polices have dogs? Awesome. Whoops. I don't know why I just pulled that out. Wait, where am I? No, I spawned here by myself. Why? Why did the police dogs look the same? I thought they were gonna look different. Well, that sucks. Okay, let's go towards the beach. Smash towards the beach. Smashing towards the beach. Oh, I'm so tired. Okay, you know what? I'm just going to reset my character. I'm out of Robux. I'm just kidding. I only have 2 left. I'm still here? Why? Okay, I'm going to team. Please confirm.
Hey, no, I see a buck guy up there. Okay, one go ahead.
See
jumping.
you. Okay, I'm gonna make it like I'm not like gonna shoot. Chaser. Who was that? Okay. Report. Choose one. This guy. I think cuts. Cheating. He's cheating. He's in God mode. He's in God mode. Submit. Okay. Seriously, he's in God mode. How do you even do that? Look, you can't even do it. Whoops. Man. Then when you do this, God mode. It doesn't work. See, I'm not fast. I'm not, you know. Okay, I'm just gonna go here. It's like I'm escaping. Okay, I need to go to the bathroom. Let's go. Nope. Oh, my eyes hurt. Get to you. Where are the bathrooms? That was just weird. Okay guys, I guess I'm gonna end this video. Bye!